Is it time to buy or sell Super Microcomputer stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Super Microcomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 16th of June, 2025, our system has ranked Super Microcomputer as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.51. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 1.79%. This equates to an average return of 0.6% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further gains within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 23.96% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 0.381% to 37.96%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 41.79%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 100% to negative 36.36% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $28.30. Our latest daily update for Super Microcomputer includes the headline, Super Microcomputer stock upgraded to strong buy candidate. The Super Microcomputer stock price gained 3.15% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025. It rose from $43.11 to $44.47. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 6.73%, with a low of $42.79 and a high of $45.67. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 0.77% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day along with the price, a positive technical sign. In total, 20 million more shares were traded than the previous day, with approximately 40 million shares bought and sold for around $1.8 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $101.40, while the lowest price was $17.25. Currently, the price is 56.14%, or $56.93, below the 52-week high, and 63.82%, or $78.43, below the all-time high on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $122.90. Super Microcomputer Incorporated, commonly known as SMCI, is currently attracting significant investor interest due to its strategic positioning in the expanding artificial intelligence market. As the adoption of AI accelerates, SMCI stands to benefit substantially from the increasing demand for data center and AI server solutions. Analysts emphasize that the company's strong valuation and optimistic growth outlook indicate the potential for further gains. Recent reports reveal that SMCI is witnessing a surge in demand for its AI-focused server products, fueled by innovation and a commitment to global expansion. Despite recent market fluctuations, with the stock experiencing a dip of 4.15% last week, market sentiment surrounding SMCI remains positive. The company's performance is particularly noteworthy as it remains competitive against other players in the AI sector. Furthermore, SMCI's current trading levels suggest that it is relatively affordable compared to its peers, presenting a compelling opportunity for investors looking to capitalize on the AI growth trajectory. Future partnerships, such as the recent collaboration with Ericsson, may also enhance SMCI's reach and profitability potential, possibly leading to significant margin expansion as the company matures. In the short term, increased interest from investors may result in stock price volatility as market dynamics shift. However, in the long term, the company's ability to innovate and adapt to growing demand positions it favorably for sustained growth, making it a stock to watch closely in the evolving AI landscape. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned SMCI an outperform grade with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that KGI Securities assigned SMCI a neutral grade with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SMCI a neutral grade with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned SMCI an equal weight grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Super Microcomputer stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong buy rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Super Microcomputer. The Super Microcomputer stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, some support is anticipated at levels of $43.19 and $39.97. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is recognized as a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, May 16, 2025, with the stock having declined by 3.64% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, recorded 23 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted just 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, observed 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, identified 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 26 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average shows a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average reflects a buy signal from 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also signaled a buy 21 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Super Microcomputer. Super Microcomputer finds support from accumulated volume at $43.96. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, paired with a healthy trading volume, leading to a medium risk assessment. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $2.88 between its high and low, which is a change of 6.73%. In the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 4.71%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Super Microcomputer, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a fairly typical PE ratio, often observed in businesses with established histories or stable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 0.44. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Super Microcomputer. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Super Microcomputer is at $44.79. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Super Microcomputer faces its first support level at $43.96. If this support level holds firm, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicro from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, David E. Wigand conducted an insider sale of 67,000 shares of common stock. On the 16th of May, 2025, Wally Liao Yishine conducted an insider sale of 177,600 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Charles Liang conducted an insider sale of 184,694 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Charles Liang also conducted an insider sale of 15,306 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Sarah Lu Liang Chu conducted an insider sale of 184,694 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 74.881. In total, insiders purchased 8,134,875 shares and sold 979,757 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $42.71. Representing a decrease of 3.97%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Furthermore, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 22 days ago. Is Supermicro stock a good buy? Supermicro displays several positive signals and is currently in a robust upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it a favorable option at these levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been upgraded from a buy to a strong buy candidate since the last evaluation. Following an examination of the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 20th of June, we expect Supermicro to open lower by 16 cents, starting at $44.31. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.